Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Nikki and today I'm going to be building my first gaming PC. So as a little bit of background, this is actually not my first YouTube video. However, it is my first YouTube video as part of the gaming community on Instagram. My first YouTube videos were from my time living in Japan in 2017, and for my sanity, because of a lot of poor editing skills, they are locked and they will never see the light of day again. So with the current coronavirus situation, if for those who don't know, I have now permanently moved to Western Australia from my home Melbourne, where all my family and majority of my friends still live, and it has been a massive adjustment, and although I'm quite happy, I've been really looking forward to having something of my own, which is where this gaming PC comes in. So I've been looking forward to this for weeks, and I'm looking forward to sharing my build with all of you. So PC gaming is actually where I started. I began playing World of Warcraft at the age of 12, and I played for a good 10 years before I had to quit my subscription so that I could focus on my bachelor degree. So I'm so excited. I haven't seen my Blood Elf in 4 years. I'm so excited to see my Blood Elf again. Y'all have waited long enough. I have waited long enough. Let's build! Alright. Let's get down to the specs. Okay, so there are all my pieces. I guess it's time to start building. Woo! I have no idea what I'm doing. It looks like they've actually cable managed part of the cables already inside instead of leaving them loose, which is great for me, but I still have no idea what these cables do. Let's back up for a second. So I started building my PC last Monday and everything was going fine, but me and my derpy self made a mistake and everything fell apart, and I fell apart and had a meltdown. I feel like this is super important to actually put into this because like everyone's been building PCs and it looks a lot easier than it actually is. There is a lot of challenges and I've struggled a fair bit and gone through like a lot of stress because it's super expensive. And with my mistake, even when I finish this build, there is a strong chance that when I press the on button of my PC, it might not turn on. So when we get to the end of this build, it's gonna be tense, and I want to share the entire experience with you guys. Let's get back to building this and let's hope for the best. So let's kick it off again.